considering to sign up? Well, let me give you 5 reasons why you should definitely sign up. Number 1, you'll be able to buy from any online retailer anywhere in the world and get your packages delivered to your doorsteps here in Jamaica. If you're a Jamaican living overseas and you want to send packages to your loved one's doorstep here in Jamaica, you can. Imagine, mama not having to go down to Western Union to pick up money, then go to a shipper or the wharf to go join lines to pick up shipments. No, when you pay for your packages online with us, we ship it to mama's doorsteps. Number 2, sites like Shipme have specials where you can spend as low as $45 and get up to 8 items of clothing. If you're in the Kingston area, for example, our delivery charges is only $2. Hey, wait, that's a combo I gave you just now. Number 3 reasons why you need to sign up is because you'll be able to buy from multiple stores, multiple items. We'll combine them for you so you pay less on the shipping charges. Also, if you're shipping bulk items to Jamaica, we are going to give you a 30% discount on the shipping charges. Number 4, we deliver anywhere in Jamaica. Let me repeat that. We deliver anywhere in Jamaica. You can also pay for your shipment conveniently using debit or credit card, PayPal or Zelle. You can even do online bank transfers. If you're in the US, you can go to a Wells Fargo branch and pay at the ABM or the teller. If you're in Jamaica, you can do the same at any NCB branch. And number 5, you are going to be able to ship for free. Yup, you heard me right. As a Platinum member, you will be able to ship 4 times per year for free. Yup, joining our Platinum membership is absolutely free today. Also, if you sign up today, you will pay no annual fees for life. Those are your 5 reasons. So, wait no more, click the link, sign up, shop and ship today.